little artists! Welcome back to Toddler's Art Hub. Today, we are going to draw something super fun, a treehouse.
Yay!
Are you ready? Welcome to Toddler's Art Hub. Grab your black marker and let's get started. First, let's draw the roof of our treehouse. Start with a triangle shape. Now, draw the house underneath the roof, a simple square or rectangle. Great! Let's add a door and a window so we can go in and see outside. Next, we need a ladder to climb up. Draw 2 vertical bars and some horizontal lines in between. Behind everything, let's draw a big tree trunk and branches spreading out.
La da 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 dee.
Finally, let's draw lots of leaves around the branches to make our tree full and beautiful.
La da 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 dee.
Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now, let's make the outlines bold and sharp to make our artwork pop. Whoa! It's looking awesome! Time to color! Here are the colors we'll use.
Yay!
Red color.
Wow!
Orange color.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Yellow color.
La 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 la.
Green color.
La 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 la.
Blue color. Purple color. Pink color. Brown color.
Yay! Wow!
Silver color. job! Our colorful treehouse is complete. You did an amazing job today. If you had fun, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome drawing. Hey there, little artists! Are you ready to draw something sweet and fun today? We're going to draw and color a cute chocolate bar with a smiling face and some fun decorations. So grab your markers and let's get started. First, let's start by drawing the packet of the chocolate bar. Draw a big rectangle shape. It's going to be our chocolate wrapper. Make sure it's nice and even.
Wow!
Now, let's draw the chocolate bar peeking out from the packet. Draw a smaller rectangle coming out from the top of the packet. This is the yummy chocolate inside. Let's add some detail to our chocolate bar. Draw a few small rectangles on the chocolate bar. These are the pieces you can break off and share with your friends. And here's a fun idea. Draw a tiny heart shape on each chocolate piece. Doesn't that look cute?
Cool!
Now, let's make our chocolate bar come to life. Draw two big eyes and a happy mouth right on the packet. Now our chocolate bar has a big smile. It's so cute and happy.
Awesome!
Wow, our chocolate bar is looking fantastic. Let's make it stand out by outlining everything with a bold black marker. This will really make your drawing pop. Wow, our chocolate bar is looking fantastic. Now it's time to add some color to our chocolate bar. Grab your color pens and let's have some fun. Pink color. Purple color.
Wow!
Yellow color. Chocolate color.
Awesome!
Light brown color. Brown color.
Wow!
Great job, everyone! Look at that! Your chocolate bars look absolutely delicious and adorable. If you had fun drawing and coloring with us today, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and come back for more creative fun. See you next time, little artists. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.